Welcome DP Salgong aboard. Your learning journey starts now. Ever tried to show off a super smart system but couldn't because the real data was locked away? That's the puzzle we're cracking today. Forget waiting for permission slips. Let's build a world where we can prove the magic happens, even without the secret sauce. So why are we stuck? It's like trying to bake a cake without flour. The real-world data, vehicle stats, dispatch logs, passenger complaints, it's just not available. And honestly, who can blame them? Handing over control, even simulated, feels like handing over the keys to the city. Plus, there are 6 major roadblocks, from data access to unclear responsibilities. Our brilliant idea? We don't need the real thing yet. Let's create a high-fidelity simulation, a sandbox where we can run the show, prove the concept, and build trust before asking for anything sensitive. It's about showing, not just telling. Alright, meet our star player, the DIKWP BusSimOps Demo Lab. Think of it as a high-tech Lego set for smart transit. First we have the synthetic data SAMPs. Think realistic fake data, like a movie set that looks real but isn't. Everything gets logged in an evidence ledger, so we know what's what. Then comes the magic, DIKWP semantic closure. This breaks down messy events into data, information, knowledge, work, potential, and risk, DIKWPR. It's like having X-ray vision for problems. Crucially, it generates action tickets, not commands. These go to the right people for review. We've got strict role and governance controls, no rogue AI here. And finally, a white box evaluation dashboard showing exactly how well it's doing. It's all about transparency and proving value. Now, how do we actually use this lab? We've got 3 flavors. Mode A is the fastest, pure synthetic data. Perfect if you absolutely cannot share any real info. Get a demo in a week. Mode B is the sweet spot. You provide maybe 10 to 50 anonymized samples, like a complaint or an SOAP snippet. We plug those into our system and boom, a customized demo in 2 to 3 weeks. It feels real. Mode C is the eventual goal, using real, read-only data for a deeper pilot review, taking 4 to 8 weeks. But here's the kicker, we start with A or B. No need to wait for permission for the full data dump to even begin demonstrating the core logic. Be smart, be strategic. So, what's the big win? This isn't just pretty lights. We measure things like evidence coverage, making sure our answers are backed by facts, aiming for 80% plus. We check the semantic closure level, ensuring we understand the situation deeply before acting. Crucially, for safety, we track C5 alerts, those critical situations, and ensure they trigger human review, not automatic decisions. We even measure how often humans actually adopt the system's suggestions. The real payoff, it builds trust. It shows the system works, respects boundaries, and delivers tangible benefits, all without risking anything in the real world. It's the bridge to the future, built on a foundation of proven simulation.